Orapi presents Aviokleen 1. Aviokleen 1 is a general-purpose aircraft exterior surface cleaner. Prepare the desired cleaning solution. It removes heavy greasy soils, carbon, exhaust deposits, petroleum and oil stains. It can be applied by foam unit, mop, brush or low-pressure non-atomizing spray. Allow Aviokleen 1 to penetrate the soil, followed by brushing or scrubbing with a non-abrasive pad. Rinse thoroughly with fresh water. Safe on all aircraft structural metals and painted surfaces. Aviokleen 1 removes dirt and grime on the fuselage and improves aircraft appearance. Orapi, solutions for professional hygiene and industrial maintenance.